How to return item on Temu. So in order to return an item in Temu, you could simply follow these steps. First thing first, log into your Temu app, and once you're logged in, you want to go to the Yo section from the bottom of the page, which is right in center. There, you just want to go ahead and locate return section. So you could go to your order and you have these returns at the top. Next, you just want to choose the item you wish to return and provide a reason. You may need to upload a photo for clarity as well. And choose a refund method. That means select whether you want the refund as a Temu credit or the original payment method. Then Temu provides one free return label for the first return of every order. Subsequently, returns from the same order will incur a shipping fee. And what you want to do is securely pack the item, attach the print label, and drop the package at a designated carrier location. And you must ship the package within 14 days of initiating the request. And that's how you're going to return items on Temu. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.